Hey guys, James living in paradise here. Woo, it is hot out today. I'm in the Caribbean, and I want to show you something really quick that one of my partners has mastered, guys. His name is Matt Parr, and he runs 9 different YouTube channels, and he doesn't even show his face. He's making money 9 different ways, and I learned how to do this last year in 2020 during the coronavirus pandemic, and I copied his strategy. I just copied it, and now we have a course that teaches you how to do this. You can make money on YouTube making videos, and you don't even have to show your face. So watch a couple of videos here real quick. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, you understand? So that video I did not create. I copied that video, we put some music to it, and now I use that video to promote anything. Real estate, taking vacations. I sell lots of different products and services online, including my mentoring packages. And I teach people how to do exactly what I'm telling you, which is build YouTube channels, not even showing your face. And guys, it's easy to do. You just have to find videos that you love that are in your niche, copy the video on your phone or computer. Sometimes you don't even have to add music. You can just use the music that's in the video or add your own music and post it on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere, and promote your product or service, like this video here for real estate. Now again, I did not create that video. I took it from somebody else online, copied it, and then I just added my own twist to it, my own style, my own music, my own talking, and now I'm promoting and marketing, buying and selling real estate in the Caribbean with that video. Is that amazing? So listen, if you guys would like to learn how to do this, in the link in the description below, there's a link. Click on that link. And I partnered up with this young kid. He's like 22 years old. His name is Matt Parr. We have a course that will teach you how to do it and show you exactly how to build a YouTube channel making money selling products and services without using your face. Here's another video. Check out this one. Okay, again, I did not create that video. That would take days, weeks, thousands of dollars to create that video. I just copied it, and now I put my own music to it, and now I'm making money selling a product or service. The other thing is you can get a lot of likes and followers and subscribers on YouTube and all over social media because people watch videos. Sometimes they watch music videos, right? Like sometimes when I'm at home, I'm working all day, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. I've got like deep house music on. I got like DJ music on, something, you know, with high energy to keep me motivated, keep me up. And guys, the guy that has that music on the YouTube channel, he's getting millions and millions and millions of views daily, weekly, monthly, and YouTube is paying him money. Again, you don't have to create videos. You just make videos like this one.
Once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me. I said my face bomb, ass tight, rack stack of shack height, jury on me flashlight. I've been listening last night.
Okay, so real quick, that's what I wanted to tell you just on this short video, guys. Number 1, you have to find a product to sell. Number 2, if you don't have a product, sell my product. Click on the link in the description and go check out the YouTube, making videos, building YouTube videos and channels Guys, without using your face, you don't have to use your face. I've got 7 YouTube channels now, and I've got 5 of them where I don't show my face, but we're getting hundreds of thousands and millions of views, and now we're making money with YouTube. We got sponsors contacting me to sponsor their products and services, and we got ads on the videos because people just let them run. Their music videos, their videos of sailing in the ocean in the Caribbean, right? People love to watch that stuff. Water. People go to sleep at night listening to water dripping. So we can make videos like this one right here. So listen, if you would like to learn step by step how to make money on YouTube or any social media platform, okay, you can make videos without using your face. I will personally help you. In the link in the description, there's a link, and there's 2 links. Listen, the first link goes to a course. It's Matt Parr's course. He shows you exactly how to do this, okay? Get the course, download it, buy it. Guys, it's worth it, okay? If you invest $1,000 into making money on YouTube and you eventually start making $1,000 a day, is that worth it? Of course it is. $30,000 a month on YouTube, and you invest in one course. Or get me on the phone live. My WhatsApp number, my email is below. Send me your name, send me your mobile number. Let's get on a live WhatsApp call, no charge, complimentary. It's free, guys, and I'll show you exactly how to do exactly what I'm talking about. Make money on YouTube, building YouTube channels without showing your face. I'll see you on the next video.